Hello, this is Gurnee Braden, and this is my tutorial today on how to set up a Craiglist account. Now, Craiglist will allow you to do some free advertising. You can sell anything from, lawnmowers to giving out people information about your business. So the first step you're going to have to do, one, is have an email account. And a good chance, if you've worked with a computer at all, you do have one. If you don't, you can set one up at Gmail, or you can set one up at Hotmail. Today I'm going to use my Gmail account. But what you want to do is go ahead and go to google.com, and you can type in Craiglist. And there it is right here. Now, first thing you want to do is to set up an account is we're going to go to my account right here. Okay. Now, if you don't already have a Craiglist account, you go down here to the bottom where it says sign up for an account. And then you're going to want to put in your email address. And this also right here is this is a security measure that you're going to have to put here. It's the verification word. And now if you have any problems reading this, sometimes they're tough to read, you can actually get a new one here that might be better to read easier. You can also have it sound out. And right here is just some help. That's what it sounds like to play the sound out. But as you can tell, that's tough to hear. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to go ahead and get another visual one here. And we'll type that in. Okay, so now you see a link to activate your account has just been emailed to my email address. And of course you can get help if you need to get help there. So we're going to go and check to see for that link. And here we go, it's already been sent. So you click onto it, and it'll tell you what to do right here in the instructions. To log into your account, please click onto this link. So, and you'll be prompted to choose a password as soon as you log in. If you experience any problems or have any questions, please reply to this message. Okay, so what we're going to do, what you can do is put your mouse button over here, and if you're using Windows 7, we can go ahead and right click and open this tab in a new window, which will come right over to here. Okay. I'm sorry, right here. And then here you're going to want to go ahead and choose a password, something that you can remember, and write it down. And then you're going to have to retype it again, so you make sure you put it in correctly. Okay, as you can see, you have successfully set a new password for this account. You'll be required to use this new password the next time you log in. Okay, so what we want to do is return to our account, and then you're going to have this Craiglist terms of use, and you may want to take a few moments to take a read at it, but as most people do, because we all know it's a lot of words, so just go ahead and accept it. Okay, so now you're here and you're at your account, at my account, and what you want to do is go ahead and do a new posting. And in my case, I am a videographer, so go ahead and click my posting, And now you want to set it into the area that you're in. And for me, I'm in the Tampa Bay area. Now, when you post a listing, you can only post it in one area. And if you try to do another one with the same advertisement, Craigslist will actually take that off. So you want to make sure whatever your market is, that's where you want to post it. So for me, it's going to be the Tampa Bay area. Okay, now depending on what you're doing, if you got something for sale, you can click for sale. If you got services offered, you can click that. That's what I'm going to go ahead and click mine since I do videography. Okay, and then it'll give you a list of things here to more of a category setting. And well, for mine, we'll do for videography creative services. Okay, now it's also getting specific. Since mine in the Tampa Bay area, that includes Hernando, Hillsborough, Pasco, and Pinellas. I live in Pinellas County, so I want to predominantly advertise in this area. Okay, now here you want to post. This is what all the people that are going to be on Craigslist see. So you want to pick something that is specific to what you're selling or services that you're offering. For me, will be videography or videographer. Okay, and then you also, I'm going to put the specific location so that people know where I'm at. Okay, now next, okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is decide if you want to show your email address. Here's where people will reply to, or do you want to hide your email address? And the last choice is anonymize your email address, so that and that's one I usually pick. It'll show your email. It's just xxx@serve.craiglist.org. So next you want to do is post the description, what you do or what you're selling. For me, videography, I already got mine written out. So as you can see here, this is what I do. Pretty much everything. Okay, I'll film anything. So now down here, is it okay for others to contact you about other services, products, or commercial interests? I usually leave that unchecked because most of the time I get a lot of spam, but that's up to you if you want people to contact you about other services that are not related to videographer, in my case, or whatever your case may be. So next thing you do is go ahead and hit continue. Okay, now you can add up to 8 images to be displayed with this posting. I usually only add 1 or 2 because sometimes you try to add more than that, and depending on the size of your picture, you'll get errors back from Craigslist saying it's too much. So usually I try to add no more than 2 pictures. But what I'm going to do here today is add my business card. Okay, and you know, and if you got something to sell, you can add the picture of that. Or your services. In my case, like I said, I'm going to use my business card. Okay, so that's one ad, or one picture, I'm sorry. And then I'm going to add maybe I'll add my thing here. Three, 2, 1. And I'm going to go ahead and add one more picture here. My press pass. So you can see what it looks like. So I have both things here, so people can see that I'm offering service. They can also go to my website. And now that's one thing. Now, like if you forgot to go put something in, you can always go back. And right here, what I wanted to do is go ahead and let's just add my website address so people can see it from there. I'm going to put it right here so it's in the beginning of our description. That's just another little trick so people can just click onto the link from there if they wanted to. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and continue. And like I said, we have our pictures here. Now once we're done, we'll go ahead and do done with the images. Alright, and this is what your advertisement looked like. So people can see your picture of your services, or if you want to send a business card of the services that you offer, they'll be able to see that right here. Are you selling something? It shows the picture there. And then we'll go ahead and continue. Okay. You should receive an email shortly with a link to publish your ad, edit or confirm your ad, verify your email address, or delete your ad. And the email was sent to my email that I gave to them. Three, two, one. Okay, so now since you set up your account, right now Craiglist is saying further action is required to complete your request. You should receive an email shortly with a link to publish your ad, edit or confirm and edit to your ad, verify your email address, and delete your ad. So we'll go and check to see if that link is coming in. And here we go. Showing it right here. Okay. So, important for the action required to complete your request, follow the web below to publish your ad. If not clickable, please copy and paste the address to your browser. Please keep this email. You may need to manage it. Your posting will expire off the site 45 days after it's created. So you can either take this and copy it and put it in another web browser, or you can right click it like I'm going to do and just open up in a new tab right here. Alright, now your Craiglist. Now in this case it says the Craig user account requires phone verification. Please use the form below to complete the process. Okay, some phone numbers are not usable for phone verification. Okay, so what's going to happen here is complete these steps to verify your account. And these are numbers that you can't use to verify the information. So here, follow the instructions. Enter your phone number below, select messaging type and language, press send the code, wait for an automatic call or text message containing authorization code, enter the code that's on the next page to submit for subject verification code. So they make you jump through a little bit of hoops. So we'll go ahead and enter my cell phone number. And I'm going to want to do a text message. And right here you can either do voice, have them call you. You can pick your language, but I'm going to do text in English. And I'm going to have them send the code. Okay, now the phone call is pending. Your request for phone verification has been accepted. And you should get a call soon. And as you hear, I already got the message on my phone. So this is where we will enter the authorization code. And let me just get that really quick. Okay, so I got the verification code. It came via text. And I will submit the verification code right here once I entered it. Okay, so now this is where your ad can be seen at. You can just click on this right here, this link, or in my case I'm going to go ahead and just open up in a new tab, and boom, there's my advertising for Craigslist. So as you can see, it came up with my description. Also has the 2 pictures that I uploaded. The location was in St. Petersburg. And what you may want to do is you can just copy that link. You want to save it somewhere, and so that you can always get back to it at any time, or you can just plug it into another browser, as I'll show you. Right here is another web browser. Oh. And there you go. So that's how you do that. And then if you need to get back into your account and do some editing, you know, you go back into your account, and what we're going to do is go ahead and just open up another one. And we'll go again to my account. Okay, and in most cases you would have to go ahead and put in your email address and your password again, but it's already recognizing that I'm active. So here's my account, and it'll show all my postings that are active or inactive. As of right now, it's active. And here under manage, you can edit or delete this posting. Also, what will happen after so many days, then this status will change to inactive, but it will give you another button to reactivate, and you can just click that, and then it'll send out your posting again. Sometimes you want to wait a couple days because you'll get moved to the bottom of the list, and then you'll see where you can repost, and you just click the repost button and repost it, and it'll put you back at the top of the list. So thank you, and you have a good day. This is Gurnee Braden.